Before we tell you our idea, let's imagine something for a second. What if one small change today could become a big difference tomorrow? That's exactly what our idea is built on.
Did you know? According to a report, the global fast food market size was valued at over 862.3 billion US dollars in 2024, and it is set to be 1.5 trillion US dollars by 2035.
And we all know the market size of an industry increases when its demand increases. That's the principle of demand.
But why is the demand increasing? Because an average fast food, for example, burger, has 12 grams of saturated fat, 30 grams of fat, 1200 milligrams of sodium, and still it is paired with items like soda and fries.
The answer is time saving. Food provides you with high calories in a very limited time compared to other options, and we will not lie. In the short term, it is fine, but quick pleasure fades fast. But smart choices build lasting results. Always think in a long term. That's where real progress happens. Because in the long term, fast food will give you nothing less than medical bills, so much that it contributes 8.1 trillion US dollars in hidden health costs annually.
And this is not a number out of thin air. It is a number from the official Food and Agriculture Organization.
The public gives the companies trillions and trillions of dollars every year. And what do they get in return?
Medication, untreatable health issues, and heart disease. And anyone with the right mind knows this is not right. And that's why we are
Introducing
introducing
the
the
Invo
Invo
Fruit.
InvoFruit does both for you. It provides high nutrition food in a limited time using of fruits and ingredients that are available at your home.
Just place the fruits on the device, wait 30 seconds, and you will have a meal instruction set and a active nutrition fact table on the screen. You may be wondering why we can't just use AI tools to do the same task. The answer is InvoFruit doesn't just provide you a set of instructions based on past meals, your age, and the time. It tailors you a meal for every time you press the power button to the perfection.
Now, let's take a look at the 3D visualization of our project.
This is the first This is the first screenshot in which fruits are placed on the device, and now our ESP32 cam will sense them and provide you a milkshake based on it. Now we can see in the image 3 blueberries, 2 strawberries, and a banana have been placed on the device. The second part is off screen. Here the components are 1 banana, 2 strawberry, and 3 blueberries as the device has been placed. And a short summary of the shake has also been on the screen. This shake gives you a balanced boost of energy, vitamins, and antioxidants while supporting digestion, muscle strength, and healthy skin and eyes. After that, some instructions are given to make the shake. Instruction: add the components and blend them until smooth and creamy. Pour them into a glass and serve chilled. Option at last optional: add honey for extra flavor. And a table of nutrition facts have also been placed, which shows the amounts of serving to be placed, calories, total fats, protein, vitamin A, and etc. properties. The second screenshot shows the interior of our prototype, in which the key components have been shown. There are five major components. First, storage. Second, power bank. Third, Raspberry Pi. Fourth, a radio transmission device. Third, ESP32 cam. Let's examine them one by one. First, the storage. It stores your past meals to provide you better meals by every time and be more accurate. Second is the power bank, which provides the power supply to the device. Third is the Raspberry Pi, which is the main board of our prototype. It controls everything. The fourth is radio transmission to provide wireless transmission to the screen. And last but not the least is ESP32 cam, which senses the fruits placed on the device. Now let's move forward. This is the ESP32 Raspberry Pi close up view. This is ESP32 cam close-up view. Now this is the lower half of the prototype, which doesn't come with most components, but it is the receiver of the radio transmitter. This wire goes to screen and provides power supply to it, and this goes to a power supply button provided on the exterior to turn on the radio transmitter. Now we will look at some close-up views of the receiver of the radio transmitter.
Now let's take a look at a short video to make it easier to understand the project.
It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver.
And for the same reason we are.
Introducing Invo Fruit.
We are grateful for your time and attention, and we hope our idea gives you think not just about what it is, but what it could become. Thank you.